Imagine one fine day you wake up to find that you will be receiving money from the government. You don't have to do anything to earn it. Now you may find this rubbish and may think that is this even possible? Well, the answer is yes, why not? Recently, Telangana Chief Minister suggested that the helicopter money can help the states to come out of this economic chaos. Wondering what is helicopter money? Let us find out. Helicopter money involves printing large sum of money and then distributing it to the public. By giving this surplus cash, government encourages us to buy more and more of goods and services with the aim of increasing demand to stimulate the economic growth. But now you might question the current measures taken by the government and the RBI, that is the 20 lakh crore economic package and the decrease in repo rate. Both of these also meant to stimulate the economic growth. But let me tell you, the helicopter money concept is a bit different from those conventional methods, and here we will discuss how. Now if we talk about the economic package and the repo rate reduction, the focus was on making the loans cheaper. In such cases, if you take a loan, two things would happen. Firstly, as it is a loan, you would think twice before spending that money. You won't act like a spendthrift. And secondly, you need to repay that loan in future. But in the case of helicopter money, you get that money free of cost. You don't have to pay back that money. So you would not hesitate to spend it. And this would lead to immediate buying of goods and services, which would eventually stimulate the growth. But does it mean our government has to repay that money to the central bank on behalf of us? If yes, this would increase the debt burden on the government. With the current debt to GDP ratio striking at almost 70%, government can't afford to make it worse, as it would weaken the country's credit profile. The good news here is that in the case of helicopter money, government don't have to repay the money. With all these positive sides of helicopter money, there are many concerns which questions the efficacy of it. First is inflation. The basic assumption of this concept is that people should spend money. But what if people hold on to it and then use it once the economy recovers? Then the combination of an increase in demand and a reduction in supply could increase the prices. Also, what if an uncontrolled amount of helicopter money gets distributed to the people? Then it would lead to hyperinflation. Second is, an increase in rupee supply would decrease its value, which is called as rupee depreciation. This would make the rupee dollar exchange rate to increase, which means if $1 equals 75 rupees, then after distribution of money it would go beyond 75. Having said that, history has shown us that this type of policy has been difficult to implement. When it was used in Zimbabwe, the prices was skyrocketed and it nearly doubled every 24 hours. People had to pay a cart full of cash to buy a loaf of bread. As a result, Zimbabwean dollar was abundant. Hence, this policy should be used as a last resort, and it should be carefully managed by an independent central bank with targets around growth and inflation. This is all about it. I hope you all find this informative. For more such unusually simple content, follow my page. Thank you.